Ever wonder who the smartest people in history are? Since 1901, the Nobel Prize has been awarded to the greatest minds who literally changed the world with their discoveries, ideas, and dedication to peace. Today, we're not going to list every single winner that would take forever. Instead, we're diving into the complete story of the Nobel Prize, its categories, its most iconic moments, and its incredible legacy, all in just a few minutes. So, what exactly is the Nobel Prize? It all started with a man named Alfred Nobel, who, ironically, was the inventor of dynamite. In his will, he left his massive fortune to create a series of prizes to honor those who have conferred the greatest benefit on mankind. Today, there are 6 official Nobel Prize categories, each celebrating a different field of human brilliance. Let's break them down. First, we have physics, for groundbreaking discoveries about the secrets of our universe. Then there's chemistry, for unlocking how matter works and interacts. The prize in physiology, or medicine, honors life-saving breakthroughs that have transformed healthcare. For the literary geniuses among us, there's the Nobel Prize in Literature, awarded for outstanding contributions to the written word. The Nobel Peace Prize is given to individuals or organizations for their tireless efforts to create a more peaceful world. And finally, the prize in economic sciences was added in 1969 to recognize major advancements in economics. Since the very first ceremony, over 1,000 incredible individuals and organizations have earned this prestigious honor. Speaking of the first ceremony, who were the original trailblazers back in 1901? The first ever Nobel laureates included Wilhelm Röntgen in physics for discovering X-rays, Jacobus van 't Hoff in chemistry, and Emil von Behring in medicine for his work on serum therapy. Sully Prudhomme won the first Literature Prize, and the very first Peace Prize was shared by Henry Dunant, the founder of the Red Cross. These pioneers set an unbelievably high standard for every winner who would follow. Of course, some names have echoed through history. Think of Marie Curie, the only person ever to win Nobel Prizes into different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Or Albert Einstein, whose theories of relativity redefined our understanding of space and time. We also have modern heroes like Malala Yousafzai, the youngest ever Nobel Peace Prize laureate, and towering figures of compassion like Mother Teresa and Martin Luther King Jr., whose work for peace and justice continues to inspire millions. Every single year, a new group of laureates joins this exclusive club, recognized for incredible breakthroughs in gene editing, understanding black holes, or forging new paths to peace. They are continuing Alfred Nobel's vision, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and compassion into the modern age. The Nobel Prize isn't just a list of names. It's a powerful story of human progress, curiosity, and our endless quest to make the world a better place. If you love powerful stories from history and science, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to celebrate human achievement with us. Thanks for watching.